All right, I'd like to show you today is something I found that was really helpful around the shop. I bought one of them titanium welding tables and several other pieces of equipment here that I got casters on them. I'd like to show you what I did. Hopefully it'll help someone out there with trying to move these things around, and it saves you a lot of room because you can pack them away. Let's take a look at it. All right, here's the welding table, and then I've got my hydraulic press here. The press has 2-inch casters, and the welder has 3-inch. You can see here. The problem that I had, I didn't realize, I went and ordered up these they're 5/16 18 thread on those 3-inch casters that I ordered, and this welding table comes with different size. That size was a metric, I believe it was a 10 millimeter by 1.5. This is the one that comes with it, which is going to be here a 10 millimeter by 1.5. So if you order them, I'll leave a link with those on there. Follow the link, go in there and order what you want. Those would be the correct ones though. These here are the smaller 2-inch, which I just went ahead and mounted them, drilled the holes and all, passed it through a clearance hole, bolted them down. The 3-inchers will thread right into that metric. The 3/8 18, they'll thread right in there, but they're loose, so I put the bolt on top and locked them down that way. So they're sandwiched and they're good and sturdy. But the ease of moving these around now, I mean, it used to be a real pain drag, especially dragging this thing, because it's not very sturdy. But now, no problem. So I got it over there on my welder. Those are different. Those are Harbor Freights. I've also used these Harbor Freights. These here I like better. They seem to be a little stronger, smoother. But I just wanted to share. Let's take a look at installing the casters on the press. The box comes with your casters, the washers, nuts, some wrenches. Here I measured up where I wanted to put them, spot drilled them, then went ahead and drilled them. Dropped them in through the holes here. Used the supplied nuts, washers, and their little wrenches to tighten them up. There we go, we're installed and rolling now. Happy with it, it's working real well.